This is our weekend update of Tesla Giga Texas with an exclusive drone video by one of our local friends giving us a glimpse of how the ecological landscaping of Giga Texas may look like. Welcome back, dear friends. This is Armen Harayan from torquenews.com. If you are here for the first time, please look around our channel and subscribe to our channel, as well as ring the bell so you don't miss my next Tesla report. If you are interested in Giga Berlin, Giga Texas, Giga Shanghai, as well as everything Tesla and also electric cars. So today we have a Tesla Giga Texas construction footage from yesterday, July 27, at the Tesla factory site near Austin, Texas, sent to us by Torque News friend Joe Tegtmeyer. You have already seen Joe's previous video, which I shared yesterday, which is a great video. This time Joe has shared a longer video to help document initial stages of construction and to establish a baseline in order to compare with later updates as the factory takes shape over the coming months. In the beginning of the video, you will see at least 30 heavy machines working at Giga Texas. In my previous report about Giga Texas, I said that Tesla is bringing heavy machinery to work there, and now we see, I roughly calculated somewhere between 20 to 35 or so, depending how you look. So many, they're actively working and leveling the ground. So this is a sign that Tesla is actively moving forward with the plan to start manufacturing the Model Y, the Cybertruck, and the semi-truck at Giga Texas, just outside of Austin. Right now, Tesla is leveling the ground. And by the way, I remember how Tesla was leveling the ground of Giga Berlin. You probably remember that from these videos. It took Tesla about a week or two to finish the leveling. I'm talking about only leveling, because felling the trees and cutting the trees was different story. So Giga Berlin was all forest at that time. Here at Giga Texas, we see that we have a bare ground, and thus it, in my opinion, should be easier for Tesla to level the ground and prepare it for the construction of the foundation of Giga Texas Gigafactory. I expect within a week or two we will see the laying of the foundation of Giga Texas. What about you? Do you agree, or this is too progressive look? Maybe we should be a little bit more conservative in our views. But I think within 2 weeks, let's see, within 2 weeks, by mid-August, we should already see the foundation of Giga Texas. Friends, I still don't know which company Tesla contracted to build its Texas Gigafactory. In the case of Giga Berlin, one of the largest German construction companies, Max Vogel, is building Giga Berlin, and it seems that the company is doing a phenomenal job. If any of you guys drive by Giga Texas and see a sign with the name of the company that is building Giga Texas, please let me know, and I will be preparing another report about the Giga Texas contractor company, so we know which company is contracted by Tesla to build Giga Texas. One thing that is standing out in this video, as you watch Joe's video, is the landscaping. It looks like Tesla obviously already has the landscaping of Giga Texas in mind. Now, I see not all trees are cut. I see some areas with trees left untouched, and like green area is left untouched, but the round is being around that green area is being leveled. And this confirms Elon Musk's earlier word that Tesla wants to make Giga Texas an ecologically very clean place and open to the public with boardwalks on the Colorado River, fish ponds, and so on. This is going to be a very beautiful site, I think, and I'm hoping one day to visit Giga Texas once it's ready to report all of that for you guys from there. Thank you, Joe, for this footage and update from Giga Texas. Friends, let's continue watching Joe's video. It's a 12-minute nice video, and you can see what is going on, what was happening at Giga Texas yesterday. And any one of you who have been following my reports from Giga Berlin, you will see, you can make comparisons, and I would love to read your comparisons with Giga Berlin, whatever you have noticed, especially Jürgen Albrecht and Emil as well as Tobias. Maybe you can give some insights in the comments. Maybe one day I will make a report comparing the leveling part or these early stages of production with Giga Berlin versus Giga Texas, if that will be of interest to us. So let me know, friends, in the comment section. And thank you, Joe. Let's please like this video to show our appreciation of our friend Joe, who drove to Giga Texas and took this drone video for us. Joe, we greatly appreciate this. In the meantime, friends, this is Armen Harayan from TorqueNews.com. If you guys have any information you would like to send me, I always welcome that. And please subscribe to our channel if you would like to know more about Giga Texas. And I'll see you in our next report. Let's continue watching Joe's video. God bless you. Take good care of each other, and I'll see you soon in our next report.